Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing our world. One of its most exciting developments is the rise of AI agents. These intelligent systems are capable of learning, adapting, and acting autonomously. They are transforming industries from manufacturing to marketing and beyond. AI agents are not just tools, they are becoming collaborators. They can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. This capability is revolutionizing how we work, travel, and even interact with each other. The impact of AI agents is only beginning to be felt. As these systems become more sophisticated and integrated into our lives, their potential for positive change is enormous. The future is intelligent, and AI agents are leading the way. The development of AI agents is a global endeavor, with both established tech giants and innovative startups contributing to the field. Companies like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft are heavily invested in AI research and development. OpenAI, known for its groundbreaking language model GPT-3, is another major player. Its AI agents are capable of generating human-quality text, translating languages, and even writing different kinds of creative content. Anthropic, a company focused on AI safety and research, is developing AI agents with a strong emphasis on ethical considerations. Hugging Face, a community-driven platform, provides access to a vast library of pre-trained AI models, including those for natural language processing and computer vision. Llama Index is another notable player, specializing in tools and infrastructure for building AI agents that can interact with external data sources. The collective efforts of these and other companies are pushing the boundaries of AI agent capabilities and driving innovation across industries. AI agents offer a multitude of benefits across various domains. In manufacturing, they can optimize production processes, predict equipment failures, and even design new products. In healthcare, AI agents are being used to diagnose diseases, personalize treatment plans, and accelerate drug discovery. Despite their enormous potential, AI agents also present challenges. One concern is the potential for job displacement as automation becomes more prevalent. Ethical considerations surrounding bias in algorithms and the responsible use of AI are also crucial. Another concern is the potential for AI agents to be used for malicious purposes, highlighting the need for robust security measures and ethical guidelines. As AI agents become more integrated into our lives, addressing these challenges is paramount to ensuring their responsible and beneficial development. The accessibility of AI agents is rapidly increasing, with a range of options available to suit different needs and budgets. Many companies offer free tiers for basic AI agent functionality, allowing individuals and businesses to experiment and explore the technology. Freemium models are also common, providing access to more advanced features for a subscription fee. These models often offer different tiers with varying levels of functionality and usage limits. Subscription-based models provide access to the most powerful AI agents and often include dedicated support and resources. These models are typically used by businesses and organizations that require advanced capabilities and high-volume usage. Bridging the gap, integrating AI into your world. Integrating AI agents into existing systems and workflows is becoming increasingly straightforward. Many platforms offer pre-built integrations with popular software and services, streamlining the process. Application programming interfaces, or APIs, play a crucial role in connecting AI agents to different applications and data sources. These interfaces allow developers to leverage the power of AI agents without needing to build complex systems from scratch. Some AI agents require API keys for access and usage. These keys act as unique identifiers, allowing platforms to track and manage API requests. Obtaining an API key is often a simple process that involves creating an account and requesting access. The AI-powered factory, redefining manufacturing. AI agents are transforming the manufacturing industry, leading to increased efficiency, reduced costs, and improved product quality. One key application is predictive maintenance, where AI agents analyze sensor data to identify potential equipment failures before they occur. AI agents can also optimize production processes by analyzing historical data and identifying areas for improvement. This analysis can lead to reduced downtime, improved resource allocation, and increased throughput. Defect diagnosis is another area where AI agents excel. By analyzing images and sensor data, AI agents can identify defects in real time, reducing waste and ensuring product quality. This capability is particularly valuable in industries with strict quality control standards, such as electronics manufacturing. Your AI travel companion. Navigating the world with ease. AI agents are simplifying travel planning and enhancing the overall travel experience. From booking flights and accommodations to providing personalized recommendations, AI agents are becoming indispensable travel companions. AI-powered chatbots are now commonplace on travel websites and apps, providing instant customer support and answering frequently asked questions. These chatbots can assist with booking modifications, provide destination information, and even offer real-time travel updates. AI agents are also transforming the way we experience destinations. Augmented reality apps powered by AI can provide interactive maps, translate signs in real time, and offer historical information about landmarks and points of interest. Section 8. The Marketing Maestro AI's influence on consumer behavior. AI agents are revolutionizing the marketing landscape, enabling businesses to target consumers with greater precision and personalize marketing campaigns like never before. AI-powered analytics platforms can analyze vast amounts of consumer data to identify trends, predict behavior, and segment audiences. Content creation is another area where AI agents are making their mark. AI-powered writing tools can generate high-quality marketing copy, social media posts, and even blog articles, freeing up human marketers to focus on strategy and creativity. AI agents are also transforming the way businesses interact with customers online. Chatbots powered by natural language processing can engage in human-like conversations, answer questions, provide support, and even recommend products or services. Section 9. Personalized experiences, AI in customer service and e-commerce. AI agents are playing an increasingly important role in shaping personalized customer experiences, particularly in the realm of e-commerce. Recommendation engines powered by AI analyze browsing history, purchase data, and other user interactions to suggest relevant products and services. AI-powered chatbots are transforming customer service, providing instant support and personalized assistance 24/7. These chatbots can answer frequently asked questions, resolve issues, and even process returns or exchanges, freeing up human agents to handle more complex inquiries. AI agents can also personalize the online shopping experience by tailoring product recommendations, offering targeted promotions, and providing customized product information based on user preferences and past behavior. This level of personalization enhances customer satisfaction and drives sales. Section 10. Streamlining the supply chain, AI's impact on logistics. The logistics and supply chain industry is undergoing a significant transformation thanks to the integration of AI agents. These intelligent systems are optimizing routes, predicting demand fluctuations, and improving overall efficiency. AI-powered route optimization software analyzes real-time traffic conditions, weather patterns, and other variables to determine the most efficient delivery routes. This optimization reduces transportation costs, minimizes delivery times, and lowers fuel consumption. AI agents can also analyze historical sales data, seasonality trends, and external factors to predict future demand with remarkable accuracy. This predictive capability enables businesses to optimize inventory levels, reduce waste, and ensure they have the right products in the right place at the right time. Section 11. The future is intelligent, embracing the AI revolution. The rise of AI agents marks a pivotal moment in the evolution of technology. As these intelligent systems become more sophisticated and integrated into our lives, their transformative potential will continue to unfold. From revolutionizing industries to enhancing our daily experiences, AI agents are poised to reshape the world as we know it. As we navigate this exciting new era of intelligent automation, it is essential to approach the development and deployment of AI agents responsibly, addressing ethical concerns and ensuring their benefits are accessible to all. The future is intelligent, and it is up to us to shape it wisely. I encourage you to explore the world of AI agents further. Discover the specific agents that align with your interests and needs. Embrace the power of these intelligent systems and unlock a future filled with possibilities. If you enjoyed this information about AI agents' future usage, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Your support helps us bring you more insightful content. Would you embrace a future without smartphones, or do you prefer having a physical device? Let me know your comments.